Okay, this is the Genmitsu ProverXL 4030 CNC machine. Just came in the mail today. I ordered it about 4 days ago, so it came in pretty quick, which I was surprised, from China. And I received it already. So you can see that it's a pretty big box, weighs about 30 kilograms, which is about 66 pounds. And pretty heavy. I have it set up on my little workstation there. And you can see the dimensions of the box. There's some of the information. So in just a moment I'll go ahead and unbox it and see what we have. Okay, so first thing here, it's packaged pretty well. This here looks like the waste board. So I'll go ahead and lift this off to the side. And a little thank you card there. And just some website information there with a Q code. And then over here, instruction manual. So I'll save that for a little later and get to the rest of the unboxing and see how it's packaged. Pretty good thick foam there. And as you can see, it's quite a bit of parts with it. I think there's two major components that you put together. It's not a complete breakdown kit, but it's USB cord. And we got the power cord. And these here look like the cable chains. And this would be the additional collar if you want to put a DeWalt router in it. It comes with the capability to do that if you don't want to use the original spindle. And this little package here, some little collars it looks like right there. And this looks like this would be the main assembly where the router is attached to. And here we got a small box of screws. And just some more parts to put the frame together. And let's see here. In here looks like we have a USB stick. And some bits. And some other wiring. And it looks like the probe is in there too. And another bracket here. Some threaded knobs, and looks like a little sample pack of material. And let's see, and we also have some Allen wrenches and some regular open end wrenches there. So bear with me here. 3 Allen wrenches and 2 regular wrenches, and over here looks like another package of screws. Oh, these would be the clamps, and those knobs there I guess would be for the clamps to tie those down or to fix those down. Okay, so I took everything out of the box. On the top layer there you can see it's really good thick foam padding. And there's some more parts in there. I'll get to those in just a moment. But first I laid out everything so you can kind of see a little better what comes in the box. Again, there we have the cable chains there, and the power cord, and the USB cable, and the extra collar for a DeWalt router, some more milled parts for the frame, and back here also we have a couple L angles. Your sample pack of MDF and acrylic, another part for the frame and router, and again USB cable, little package of screws, assembly screws, collars there, Z-probe, your wrenches, Allen wrenches, your clamps for your table, for your waste board, And these are the package of bits that you get. You get these little nano blue coat bits. Look like they're kind of like a little raspy bit. And there you have your package of V-bits, V-carving bits. Your USB stick, probably with your drivers on it and software, thank you card, and manual. And then also your main router arm assembly there. So go ahead and take a closer look at the other contents of the box. So get this out of the way. So here it looks like your motors, stepper motors. You have 3 of those. And looks like your base frame is in there pretty good. So lay these up here. And looks like there's another box here. It's probably for your control box. Okay, so I just went ahead, skipped ahead, and opened up the box there with the control panel on it. You can see it has your emergency stop switch there, your speed control, reset, pause, and resume, with your little fan there, and there's your power cord connection, voltage switch, depending on whether you 110 or 220, depending on where you live, and your motor connections there. And looks like for your limit switches in there. Okay, so you can see I went ahead and skipped ahead and got the base frame out, and we'll just take a closer look at that. It's a really heavy duty aluminum, brushed aluminum, both silver and blue. Let's get a couple close-ups here. You can see the carriages there and over there. And overall, it's about a 2 foot by 2 foot footprint. And there you can kind of see a couple of cable clips on the back, and just a back view of the main assembly arm there. Okay, so there you can see everything's out of the box, and it shouldn't take too long to put together, not like some of the other machines where you have to put every screw and every piece together by hand. This one comes in 2 main parts, and then with all the wire connections and control box and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together. I'm not going to do a video, well, I may do a video of me putting it together, but that'll just be a separate short video. And because it's the first time for me doing CNC, very familiar with it, but first time owning one. And I purchased this myself. You know, no one sent me this free of charge or anything, so no one's sponsoring the video. I paid for this out of my own pocket, and just to get into the CNC craft. So I'll go ahead and stop the video here and put it together, and then come back and show you the finished product.